a regional language because there is already a unified language, namely Indonesian, and also an international language to communicate with each another. In the 1945 Constitution it state the date of language in Indonesian. The use of Indonesian as the language of instruction in education is also regulated in Article 33 of Law number 20 2003 on National Education System. The law states Indonesian as the state language is the language of instruction in national education. Regional language can be used as the language of instruction in the early stage of education needed in the delivery of certain knowledge and or skills. Foreign language can be used as the language of instruction in certain education units to support students' foreign language skills. This statement was strengthened by the enactment of the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 34 of 2009 concerning the state flag, language and emblem, as well the nation anthem. This law stated Indonesian language must the use of the language of instruction and national education. The question that then arises is how the school set priorities for the education and learning of Indonesian in children in the midst of the presence of other languages. In everyday life, both at school, at home, and in the regional public. The negative impacts of local traditional language thoughts. The first, one regional language is difficult for other regions to understand. No thanks. The second, foreign national who want to learn Indonesian find the difficult because they have opposition. Yes, please.
In your opinion, you say that modern communities do not need to use local language. If the local language is not used, are you believe that it not have negative impact?
Yes, have the negative impact. The first, one regional language is difficult for other regions to understand. The second, foreign national who want to learn Indonesian find it difficult because they have too many vocabularies. And the third, people become less understanding in using Indonesian because they are used to using regional language. And the next can lead to misunderstandings. Thank you. In regional language in Indonesia, there are also some words that are the same in writing and pronunciation but have different meanings. Here are some examples. The first, swag in the Sekayu language in South Sumatra means nothing, but swag in Javanese means strong. Kenek in Batak language means carnet or assisted driver. Kenek is Javanese means head. Abang in Batak and Jakarta means brother. Abang in Javanese means red. Mango in Indonesian means mango fruit. Mango in Sundanese means place. Mine in Indonesian means play. Mine in Batak language means girls. In the current era of globalization, regional language have begun of the face drastically. For example, the use of Javanese is rarely used anymore. If this condition continues, it is not impossible that the Javanese language will become extinct in the next few years. One of the causes of the extinction of the regional language is the national language itself, namely Indonesian, because intellectually speakers of regional language are regulated to teach regional language to the descendants. According to the author, the forming of regional language is fluid by several factors, namely from the family environment, the use of language in education and the lack of interest of the younger generation to previous regional language. In the family environment, prevent them to use Indonesian in daily communication with their families and children. Parents rarely teach local language to their children so that children are less fluent in speaking the local language. In the school environment, the use of regional language is almost never spoken because the majority of education use Indonesian in speaking. In a regional language subject, it is known as local context, which is only given to elementary to junior high school children.
Time is up. Ladies and gentlemen, now I call out the first speaker of opposition team.
Thanks for the time that given to me. Before we present our material, I will read the definition modern society and local language. Modern society is a society that has undergone a transformation of science and technology, namely a society that is able to adapt the situation and condition of its era or life accordance what the consideration of this type. Characteristic of modern society: first, individualism. Individualism mean that each individual is free to do anything without considering other people. Second, differentiation of difference. Modern society prioritize specialization is everyone does work according to their respective abilities. Third, the existence of social status. Social status is a social level seen from various parts. The main part is determine a person's social status in modern society. It's the level of economy and lifestyle. Fourth, luxury lifestyle. The most prominent feature of modern society is the luxury lifestyle. Luxury lifestyle has become complex in modern society. This luxury lifestyle starts from lifestyle, diet, vehicles, and so on. 5. Following the times. Modern society means a society that always follows the development of the times. It aims to make it easier to carry out daily activities. Modern society is centered on Western culture, especially European and American countries, which first entered on modernization era. 6. Advanced technology. Advance in science and technology are the hallmark of modern society. Dependence of increased advanced technology makes the level of life grow rapidly. 7. Open. In general, modern society has an open mindset. The active enabling system and patterns of development is very active of life. This open mindset makes it easier for people and adapt to foreign cultures. 8. Orientation to the future. Yes, please.
I have some law or constitution to using local language. Did you know, according to Article number 33, number 20, 2003 on the National Education System, the law states Indonesia as the state's language is a language of instruction in the national education. Regional language can be used.
Brother, this is my time.
Thank you.
According from Article 32 of the 1945 Constitution, it is stated the government accordance with should promote Indonesian national culture, and local language is a culture.
But according to Article 33 of Law number 20, according to Article 32 of the 1945 Constitution, it is stated that the government should promote Indonesian. What year? When the years? The article is 1945.
For opposition team.
According to the article, the law number 20, 2003.
For the team opposition, it's time for first speaker.
On the law number 20, 2030 is the newest on the national education system. The law states modern society does not need to learn regional language because there is already unfit language, namely Indonesia, and also in international language to communicate with each other.
But local language is our culture. If we not use it, just same that we eliminate our culture.
Interrupt time finish.
A regional language or regional language is that language spoken in a region within sovereign country, namely is a small area, federal state, province, or rural territory. So far, 700 languages have been identified in Indonesia. The Ministry of Education and Culture note that of a total of 15 languages that have been identified, 15 of them have been declared exist. According for Part G 2016, not only the main education at home that no longer use the local language, but also in the environment has begun to shift. Even villages that are likely maintain the present of language are now being colonized of development that that's urbanizing the village. Gradually the village turn.
Time is up, ladies and gentlemen. Now I call out the second speaker of affirmative team.
Thank you, Mrs. Moderator. According to the law of the Republic Indonesia number 24 of 2009 concerning the state flag, language and emblem, as well as the national anthem, this law states Indonesian language must be used as the language of instruction in national education. The question that arises is how do schools prove the introduction and learning of Indonesian in children's mindset of the presence of the language in everyday life, both at school, at home, and in the general public. So in this law, we don't have to use the for local language. And based on the Ministry of Education and Culture data 2011 until 2019, 11 regional language in Indonesia extinct, or Indonesia we know that punah. Sudah 11 bahasa di Indonesia punah. It's using the local language in the teaching and learning process at school. Total of 11 regional languages in Indonesia have become extinct based on record from the Language Development and Development Agency of the Ministry of Education and Culture, or Indonesia we know as Kemendikbud. Maluku is the area that has lost of most local language. We are 9 languages. The other 2 languages are from Papua and West Papua. The extinct regional languages are Tandia in West Papua, Mawes in Papua, Kazeli or Kayeli in Maluku, Piru in Maluku, Moksela in Maluku, Palumata in Maluku, and etc. The Agency of Ministry and Education Culture, Professor Dr. Dadang Sunendar, said the extinction of the 11 languages was based on data from a study conducted by the
Yes, opposition team.
Europeans say that the modern communities do not use the local language. But local language is our culture. If we not use that, it's the same that we eliminate our culture.
Yes, I understand.
But if local language is our culture, why we don't debate using our mother language? Why? If example, if using a different language and using our own language, we can connect. You know, it has make a misunderstanding. Thank you. Also that Indonesian language, the Indonesian language is united language, but the local language is give to show who you are and where you're from.
Yes,
So you identity.
but the negative impact of using the local language is one regional language is difficult for the region to understand it. If you using a Tetun language and I using that one, are we connected? No, bro. Wait up.
Who we are? You're from
My time.
So that's why you
understand my time. Brother, my time. Along the time, today, young generation is often called the millennial generation. The generation gets a lot confused in essence of information from everything. Indonesia does have a various ethnic group in language. In interaction, each individual does not only interact with regional tribe, but also interact with a various ethnic group and even countries. The social interaction of the individual, definitely, yes.
You say that modern communities do not use the local language, but we are millennial generation. must use our local language so we can make our culture be famous in all around the world.
Yes, I understand. But according the law of Indonesian Constitution number 24 of 2009, concerning that state flag, language, and emblem as well as national anthem. The law states that Indonesian language must be used as the language of instruction in national education, not foreign, not local language. People who are dealing with traditional language inevitably have to follow the developed and increasingly the sophisticated era with the various technology. Likewise, young people live in villages are required to understand technology. However, with the rapid development of technology today, more or less, young people begin to eliminate and forget their local culture and language. So, that the current millennial generation is poor in regional language. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I call out the second speaker of opposition team.
Thanks for the time that given. I will present my material. It is a fact that the Indonesian nation consists of ethnic groups living in territorial unity and a culture that has developed over countries, centuries. Giving birth to a national culture, national culture is a combination and totality of all layers of Indonesian culture that reflects all aspects of the national life, which includes language, arts, customs, naval, traditional, and beliefs. In other words, national culture is all that is produced by Indonesian people with the historical background. With local language, we can know where we are from. The example is, if you come from Dawan, if you talk about Dawan, someone will know who you're from. And if I talk Tetun, someone will know who I'm from. One of them is the local language. In accordance with the Article 32 of the 945 Constitution, it is stated that the government should promote Indonesian national culture. Local language is one of Indonesian local culture. So, we must use that so our culture is not eliminated. Therefore, regional culture must be developed because it's a national culture and every citizen is obligated to preserve regional culture. By doing this, such as helping to revive the culture of their respective regions. In the context of developing national culture, preserving the cultural heritage of the past and adapting to modern life. Choose the positive in accepting foreign language and others. The foreign regional language reflect that richness of the national culture, such as Migrants language, Japanese language, Tetun language, Dawan language, Balinese language, Pinasa language, Banjar language, Batak language, and others. According to the Ministry of National Education curriculum, regional language function to develop an ability to reason, communicate and express thoughts or feeling as well as to preserve national assets in the region. Most Indonesians use local language as their mother language. Strengthens intimacy as well throughout history and evidence of ancestral heritage in the form of fixed files. Regional languages have played an important role as identities. Characteristic. Okay, thanks.
In your argument, you say that if you use, for example, if you use for example, you are from Tetun and use Tetun language, and I'm from Dawan and use a Dawan language. And if you speak with the Tetun language, people can know that you are from Tetun language. But how can we communicate if we are used two language different?
Yes, we already know that with Indonesian language we can talk, but with Tetun and Dawan language we can show who we are from.
Yes, we know. If you using Tetun and I using Dawan, are we can communication connected? No, bro. And you know, Indonesia has a unified language, namely is Indonesia. We use the Indonesian language.
This is my time. Yes, even we cannot connect, but it can show we are from. If you didn't have a local language, you will lose your culture. So that's why we must use our local language to make our culture be more famous in all around this world, and they will know who you are. According to a report by the language. Okay, thanks.
If you using a Tetun language and I using a Dawan language, it can make a misunderstanding. For the example, if you
you communicate, you talk with you talk in Tetun language. For example, Tinan.
We didn't do like
Tinan
that.
is the one is
We didn't do like that.
but Tinan is Tetun. Technique is misunderstanding. So
We didn't use that.
thank you. And that is out of my or mind. Thank you.
The regional language in Indonesia approved the internationalism once civilization are in control of their individual and have been passed down from the generation to generation from generation to generation. Year after year, on the basis concern about the extension of regional links, UNESCO has decided February 21 as International Regional Mother Language Day. On the forum CNNIndonesia.com, there have been 11 regional languages have become exist since 2011. All of them come from the eastern part of Indonesia, namely Papua, West Papua, Maluku, and North Maluku. In addition, 25 regional languages originated for Eastern Indonesia are also threatened with extinction. This was confirmed by the acting head of the Center for Language and Literate Development and Protection.
Time is up.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I call out the second speaker of opposition affirmative team to.
Thanks for the time that given to me. According to the what that have been described by my friend in the article 73 of law number 20 in 23 and by the enactment of the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 24 of 29. In here I am pressed once again that modern society does not need to learn regional language. In the school environment, the use of regional language is almost never spoken because the majority of educators use Indonesian speaking. In regional language subject, it is known as local content, which is only given elementary, junior high school children. Meanwhile, for the senior high school or vocational level, vocal language lessons are no longer given. Many young people think that regional language is an ancient language is considered tech. They are more happy and proud to use Indonesia or foreign language which is considered more advanced and modern. Some do not even care about the local language and regulate to use it. The culture and values that apply to young people today have rolled out local language. There is no longer any awareness that regional language are no noble culture heritage that must be preserved. There is nothing wrong with using Indonesian and mastering regional language because the demands of the world of work are increasingly competitive global and require mastering of foreign language. However, it does not mean that we forget the local language, which in fact it's our language. It is fitting for us, the next generation, to love and be proud, use regular language in daily life, in addition to national and foreign language. So, in here, we can conclude that modern society does not need to learn regional language. Thank you.
Time is up. Ladies and gentlemen, now I call out the third speaker of opposition team.
A regional language or regional language is a language that is spoken in regional within a sovereign country, namely a small area, federal state, province, or wider territory. So far, 700 languages have been identified in Indonesia. The Ministry of Education and Culture note that all of 15 languages that have been identified, 15 of them have been declared extinct. Not only that, environment has begun to shift. Even villages that are likely to maintain the preference of local language are now being colonized by development that lead to urbanization of the village. It is a fact that the Indonesian nation consists of ethnic groups living in territorial unity and a culture that have developed over countries, giving birth to a national culture. National culture is a combination and totality of the layers of Indonesian culture that have reflect all aspects of the nation life, which includes language, arts, custom, noble traditional, and belief in the word. National culture is all that is produced by Indonesian people with their historical background experience by the Indonesian nation. One of them is the local language. In accordance with Article 32 of the 1945 Constitution, it is that the government should promote Indonesian national culture. Instead of thinking or tending to be traditional, this paper actually tries to the positive side of all files in addition to the negative side. We still live in an age of technology where there is always relevant. It is also a